Traders and non-traders, welcome. It's just past 8 o'clock here, Wednesday night, the 6th of June. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I've noticed there's been a few subscribers that have joined recently, so nearly at 250. It's been really slow last month and now, but look, I mean, I will be adding to the account. I understand a few people, you know, how they advertise the channel. They might do a bit of clickbait and stuff and say, you know, big account or anything. It's probably going to go to 10 grand soon, probably in the next couple of months. And so you'd be seeing bigger account, obviously, you know, it gives me a little bit more credibility. But currently, this is the account. Obviously, you can see it. And I'm down a little bit from last month. This has been interesting, the start of this week. I've got a few days off work. I've actually got, you know, this whole week off. I'm doing a bit of weekend stuff. But it allows me, it's an interesting thing because you've got a lot more free time in your hands. And this sort of is like my full-time trading week out of the month. So it lets me do what I would do if I only did trade. And it's, you know, pretty interesting. You know, the mentality is a little different. I'm looking at the charts a lot more because I've got a lot more free time, you know, being at home most of the day. So it is interesting. The AUDUSD, especially here, I piqued my interest. Yesterday, I disregarded it. Now it's very choppy. I'll be leaving this. I'll be leaving this one. And we'll go to the pound again. No sell trade there. Traders, sorry for just the break there. Now we've got the pound US dollar, same as the euro Aussie. Both were discussed as potential shorts. Going to have to disregard both of those. It's sort of similar bounce. This is, you know, it's actually making lower lows, sort of ish. It sort of bottomed out a little bit there, so I'm going to pass on that. USD CAD, see how that's going. So, you know, what you're seeing is it's a little bit of a reversal of the US dollar strength as well. We'll see the USD again. Overall, you know, picture on things is that there's just really, the only trade potential is maybe the euro long, but it's not really trending. I mean, this is what I back tested. So I'd run a 200 and then I'd run a 55, and both of these are probably going to be still downtrending. So I might make this like magenta purple. Yeah. So. I mean, how I actually would play this is that stock would be down there, but this is something that's untested, so I'm really not keen on running this. I mean, with the hourly is uptrending though, so I have it down there. That's an interesting trade. What I might do is open up another small account, probably with Oanda, so I can use FX trade, and that allows me to use exact units instead of like the traditional lot, which if you have a wide stop loss and you've only got a small account, the value of that trade is actually going to be more than $20. So that's a bit of a concern to me. But that's interesting. I'm going to watch the euro. I'm going to leave this up here to finish. Euro is definitely interesting. If it can close, what was the high on that? 1.7791. This would have to close around here in the mid sevens to interest me, and then we'd sort of see how it goes into the New York session, which is around an hour and 20 away. So that's it for now, guys. Potential euro US dollar bar trade, and that's all for now. Bye, guys.